Welcome back, everybody, to MRD Hydrotep. Yes, this is the place where we essentially teach you on how to be an AI expert. No complex coding needed, no tech wizardry, just a few instructions that you need to follow in order to build simple AI automations, which can essentially turn into large complex AI automations. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys on how to build a LinkedIn connection. Nothing complex, nothing complicated, just a simple LinkedIn connection that you can use to automate whatever prompts that you might have for your automation, or if you just want to watch posts, create posts, generate images for your LinkedIn or profile, or anything that you actually want. So let's get started. So first things first, you know the drill. First thing you do is you want to create a new scenario. So we head all the way up. I will click on the plus icon, and then we can search for our LinkedIn module. But once you see your LinkedIn options, what we're going to say is create a user text post. And then an essential step is what you want to do is you want to connect your LinkedIn account to your make.com account. So you come over here to add, and then it will take you to a different window where you would essentially log in. As you can see, I'm already logged in. So all you have to do is just log in, put in your details and log in. Now, content. So this is what you want to see on your LinkedIn account. This is essentially the text or the post that will pop up on your LinkedIn account. So let's say, hello world. Software engineers would know that one quite well. Hello world. Media type, leading that as is. And would you say save? Now, let's run our automation. And as you can see, our output, the content says hello world. Now, all we need to do is actually just test or check if it actually did post hello world. Then we head over to our LinkedIn, refresh. And there you go. It says hello world. Very simple, very easy. All you had to do is just follow simple instructions, and from there you could essentially just play around with it. You come up with different ideas, and that's it from me, everybody, where I'm going to be continuing to take you on our journey on how to become an AI expert. With time, we're going to be building more AI automations, and this side it might be a lot more complex, but trust in me.